Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Hold on. Welcome back to yet another reaction. Okay, so my name is Titi. I am from Botswana and I'm excited to react to Tswyza. All the way from SA. Yo, I've watched so many videos of this and I am impressed. Obviously, this is coming from SA. You guys are so creative out there. So I'm I wouldn't be surprised to see many other people doing the same thing in African countries because, you know, you guys are the OGs, man. So with that, you guys, round of applause to SA. Okay, the creativity is on another level. Let's get to it. Tswyza Mo Mulimi, you know, it's Motswako.
Yeah, no, hey, I get Tswyza. Get money, I link that's a song. Get Tswyza. Maramajita, Velele show. Get Tswyza. Barry get Tswyza. Wiser, ex-womanizer.
It's like podcast, but music.
Yeah.
Hey.
This episode is the most special episode to me. It's close to my heart. Check it. Yo, welcome to the Tswyza show. And a labona morako pansa Joe. If you don't like or subscribe, Joe on to shop me Joe. But for yo niggas who wanna know who's up in this show, reintroduce yourself to the people for this interview.
Undisputed world heavyweight champion ya Motswako. Motlapili molimi khosi moja morago tautona. Kwena mogopa moja kuma. Aswaka bona manonga fofa.
Cause I got a legend in my presence. Just by his introduction, I know you feel his essence. One of the pioneers, Motswako. Tell us where you're from and how your background.
Okay, Maputo Meg on the streets of Mabatu. Crisscross warm it up.
The streets of Mabatu. Yeah, man, I miss that. I miss this Motswako.
Chris, I'm about to build the ill trap with KG and Kuliado. Wrote the Third Testament, Lejeba Koleano. I'm a farmer, son of a farmer, grandson of a farmer. Roots be pretty ugly, my buntle a sunflower. Ketsoma di pala, Kileta di pala. Kemuso, Miki Munsunya Nakamala.
You the closest we have.
Yo, Mombi is a farmer.
After WHP, so we curious about how you met him, your history. Cause we know you're an original member of Morafe. But you got signed to Jeba, give us that analogy.
Jeba kile dimu me he rest in peace. O kwa godimo, o na le modimo. O dirile mo lefatsheng o limile tshimo. O tlogetse khumo, o godisitse puo. Make Tswana fashionable, loko totse maungo.
So the thing is that if you don't understand Tswana, you're really missing out because first, Tswana language is very difficult on its own, just like without having to rhyme in it, and singing in it is near impossible. Like you have to be really talented to sing in Tswana. I know. And to rap and flow like this in Tswana, this is genius. Okay.
But you got signed to Jeba, give us that analogy.
Jeba kile dimu me he rest in peace. O kwa godimo, o na le modimo. O dirile mo lefatsheng o limile tshimo. O tlogetse khumo, o godisitse puo. Make Tswana fashionable, loko totse maungo. O kwetse dithuto, verbal assassin ka leleme karate judo. Wrestling sumo, o falotse makake.
Is that why we first heard you on that bonus track, that album YBA to NWA? I noticed that you rapped about the politics that you were vibing with. Was that your attempt using music to change your environment?
My environment fan humilabo elelang le melatsona e no sambaba le man le mo ele o a khala le lang le banyana baba a tarelang ga ke tloke go fetola sepe ga ke tloke sepe ramasedi kupa pula ine Palestina ilwe Israel iwe gonyewe
Ramatlabama, who left the rap life to be a farmer.
Ramatlabama. Okay, wait. Let me hear that.
Lemo engele o a khala le lang le banyana baba a tarelang ga ke tloke go fetola sepe ga ke tloke sepe ramasedi kupa pula ine Palestina ilwe Israel iwe gonyewe
Ramatlabama, who left the rap life to be a farmer. How did you know this gamble will make your life calmer? Was it an educated decision to leave the drama? How did you get in the business? Was your father a farmer?
than 30 years behind the mic. They ask me why I freaking quit. They must be really tripping out their freaking minds. I'm a grown man with a wife. This is not a game, it's about a grown man's life. My dream, go khurala di tlakotsa ga Mugabe. Expropriate lands, kill a bele batho ba me. Empower young people, all my neighbors all around me. Will never be your good until we commit farming.
It's talking about really controversial things, but it's Motswako, it's rap. In Tswana we have a saying, Pina ga ena bosekelo, which means like, you cannot take me to court for singing a song.
More than 30 years behind the mic. They ask me why I freaking quit. They must be really tripping out their freaking minds. I'm a grown man with a wife. This is not a game, it's about a grown man's life. My dream, go khurala di tlakotsa ga Mugabe.
His dream is to get on Mugabe's shoes.
Appropriate lands, kill a bele batho ba me. Empower young people, all my neighbors all around me. Will never be your good until we commit
Are you trying to
farming.
tell us, hip-hop fellas, that you're not coming back to save us? That only contracala, the foundation that you laid us, way that you paved us. How about ensuring rap paid us? Wisdom you could have gave us before these labels played us.
I could say a lot of things, even think like I could blink, like I know something. But I'm always wondering, have I made the right decision or just blowing with the wind? Have I made a difference to the people I'm inspiring? I'm still learning, pursuing an education, building blocks to house the next generation. Teach the young ones to win a war, it takes patience. Battle after battle in
I hear
faces.
your response, but here's a certain responsibility. With all humility, did you know what your rhymes did to me in varsity? I was rapping the trilogy. Money, hoes, clothes, another one of those niggas ignorant, I suppose. But when you rose, my nose had a different kind of smell. So I always wanted to get you on a track to excel. And I started the hip-hop news, changing content as well. You're a great legend in my books, I know you can tell. Might as well give you your flowers, my nigga, your intel. So on another
Tswyza.
level, you dope in a nutshell.
Keleboga go menagane Tswyza wa le wiser, ex-womanizer, rhyme paralyzer. I wish you all the best in everything you do, and two Motswako listas everywhere. I love you, peace.
Hey, Motswako listas. Oh man. Yo, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, Tswyza. This is beautiful, Mzansi. I do hope that you are enjoying all this content. There's so many other really great minds. Like, it's like an interview, but it's also a hit song at the same time. And to bring like people like Momulim, I felt like a lot of people might have told him, yo, come back. And he came for Tswyza. That's a beautiful thing, man. And oh yeah, that was a good one. You know, I don't even know what to say, because that was, yeah, some of those things where you don't know you miss it until you see it. You're like, yeah, this is what I missed. Anyway, thank you so much for checking this out. I will see you guys on the other side. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And then I will see you guys on the other